Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. If you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Five of Swords, Queen of Swords in reverse and Seven of Cups. So Sagittarius, you are someone with a lot of dreams and lot of hopes for your future. Maybe you're planning something interesting. Maybe you're thinking of your future in this relationship, what you need to do or where you will be and what you will both be doing. So a lot of dreams and fantasies, imagining things today. But you need to go for those efforts, guys, if you want to achieve your dreams and goals, maybe in your career or in this relationship. You must make the move, maybe make the efforts needed, whatever needs to be done today to achieve all that. And in your relationship, you are having a lot of fantasies about this person, dreams and goals. You are hoping for those dreams to come true, wishes to come true. And maybe with this person, there is something, maybe you love this person, you are dreaming and fantasizing about them, but it may be just your illusion, Sagittarius. Maybe their way of seeing things is different from yours, their perception may be different, and they may have different likes. They may not see you as the person they are going to be in this relationship with. So they are hiding something. Maybe they are holding something back from you, holding some information back from you. And you would have faced a lot of arguments, a lot of stressful circumstances. And you would have thought that it is something like a passing cloud. Maybe circumstances will resolve and will change. But with this person, they are making it an opportunity to distance themselves from you. Maybe they have their own reasons. They are not interested in you. Maybe that may be the reason they are arguing with you or fighting with you. They are hiding something. They are hiding their intentions. So this person cannot be trusted. That is what I see. So this person is not a person you are dreaming of. They have something they are holding back from you. Some information they are holding back from you. So for your relationship, we have one more card. It's Nine of Wands. So with this card, maybe today in this relationship, there are a lot of unexpected difficulties you are seeing. You are hoping for good things, but this person is not someone wishing that also, guys, wishing that for you. Maybe you are hoping good things for this person, but this person is not wishing the same things for you today. So that is what I see with these cards. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. We have one card here. It is King of Swords in reverse. So in your work circumstances again, you need to be really careful because the people you work with, they are not honest like you. They may have bad intentions towards you. They do not help you. So you need to be careful today, Sagittarius. That is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. Fork in the road. So maybe today you are making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person, maybe walking away? So what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person and this decision is based on truth. And you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be the, that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today, this card is about facing the circumstance. So, whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears, and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family. Maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.